Hi, it's Meli, and I wanted to welcome you to this relaxing guided meditation to uncover your truest desires. In working towards creating what we want in our life, awareness is always the first step. Being really clear on what it is that we want sets us in the right path. To know our truest desires and to get clear, we must first quiet the mind and truly listen to our heart, because it is our heart that knows what it is that we want. This meditation will help you do just that. Let's get started. Sit comfortably and supported, with your palms facing up over your thighs. Take a deep breath in, lengthen through the spine. And as you exhale, slowly soften through the shoulders. Now take 5 deep breaths at your own pace. Feel the air coming in and out of your body. Feel your body expanding with every breath in. And feel your body relaxing with every breath out. Keeping your awareness with your breath and the sensations in your body. Becoming present to this moment. And I invite you to place your hands on your heart, taking a moment to connect within, to connect with your heart. Now begin to feel gratitude for all that is good in your life. Gratitude is one of the most powerful and positive feelings. All this positivity will help you create the life you want and support you to feel good along the journey. And with a grateful heart, begin to uncover your truest and deepest desires. Listen to your heart and mentally make a list of what you truly want this year. Now focus on the feeling. How do you want to feel this year? Feelings narrow the gap between you and what you want to achieve. And feelings help you stay in the mindset that you need to create what you want in your life. So I invite you to think of how you will feel once you create what you desire. How will you feel about yourself? How will you feel about your life? Now see if you can feel that feeling right now in this moment. Everything starts with a spark in your heart. That thought, that desire, that feeling that tugs in your heart. It becomes your intention. And with that intention, you begin to develop the will to see your desire become reality. Your will becomes the driving force behind your actions. And your actions will ultimately shape your future. If you can dream it, you can do it. You wouldn't have that desire, that spark in your heart if it wasn't already accessible to you. I believe in your beautiful dreams, your goals, and your aspirations. I believe in you. Thank you for sharing this guided meditation with me. The light within me honors, bows, and loves the light within you. From my heart to yours, namaste. For free yoga and conscious living resources, live events, retreats, and challenges, insights and updates that I only share via email, sign up to join my email list. You'll receive more feel-good yoga, meditations, real conversations, and mindfulness resources to live your best life. The link is below and on my Instagram profile. If you feel called to embrace the power of yoga, meditation, mindfulness, gratitude, positive thinking, and personal development, to step into your fullest potential and be your best self, live your best life, build up the inner strength, wisdom, and resilience to overcome anything that comes your way, and confidently pursue your goals, your dreams, and succeed in the pursuit of what matters most to you, living with intention and purpose, aligned with your values and your heart's truest desires, all with guidance and support. Join us at Home, Mind, Body, and Spirit, a membership community that will support you to relieve stress and take care of your whole self, mind, body, and spirit, to feel more confident and empowered to achieve anything that you want and lead your life with intention and purpose to create more of what you want. Feel joyfully fulfilled and at peace in all areas of your life, no matter what. To learn more and sign up, the link is below. It's also on my Instagram profile. Hope to see you inside.